These dogs are not going to mess up my intro again. Again. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's look, I did a very simple graduation makeup tutorial. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I didn't want it to be too difficult to do at home. So if you guys don't want to go out and get your makeup done, you could just simply do this look at home for your graduation or graduation pictures, because I know graduation is coming up. So I decided to do something very easy, not too difficult, but very pretty at the same time. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? So yeah, if you want to see how I achieved this look, then keep on watching. Hey guys, welcome back. So before you even start judging me, I'm wearing a shirt. I can sense you all the way from over here judging me. Stop it. So yeah, I just wanted to make that clear. Now to start off my eyes, I'm going in with my NYX concealer in the shade number 15. My NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer. And I'll be using that concealer to prime my eyes or prep my eyes and prepare my eyes for the eyeshadow.
Yeah.
Now I'm sure when you get the gist by now, I'll be using my Morphe X James Charles palette to do my eyes today. I'm going really simple on the eyes because for graduation you don't want anything too bright, just real simple and so in case you guys are wondering, I'm using my Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb for my lips. This is the gloss that I always use in the beginning of my videos. If you guys are wondering, I really love this gloss, as you can see. Now I'm going in with that flat concealer brush from the brand Crown. And I'm not really cutting my crease here, but I'm just applying some concealer. It's a NYX Cancer Own Stop concealer on my lid, just so the eyeshadow that I'm gonna put on top comes out a little bit more pigmented. Now I realize that when I use my finger to apply the metallic shades, they come out way more pigmented than when you use a brush. Like, look how beautiful that is. Now I'm going in with my Urban Decay Moon Dusk palette, and I'm going in with that gold shade, and I'm just gonna pop it right on top of the metallic shade from the James Charles palette. Now this step is totally optional. It's not a must. I mean, you could just stop right there with the gold, but you know I'm extra and I always want that pop, so yeah. Yeah. And now for this part, you don't really have to do a wing liner, but I'm just gonna do the wing, and I'm using that Crown liquid liner. So you could just do the liner, you don't have to go in with the wing, but for all the girls who like to look bomb and beautiful, doesn't matter the occasion, then you can go ahead and do the wing liner. And now for my favorite part of this video, I'm going in with my Too Faced Born This Way foundation, and I'm in the shade Butter Pecan. Now I really love this shade, this foundation, guys. Now it works perfectly for dry skin or combination skin, and it gives excellent coverage. And what I love about it the most is that it has this glow to it that when you apply it just looks so beautiful. It's not a matte foundation, but it still gives good coverage and it still lasts all day. Yeah. Now y'all should get the gist by now. I'm going in with my Fenty Beauty highlighter in the shade Hustler Baby. And to blend out that foundation, I'm using my A&E Makeup World Beauty Blender. Yes, y'all know the gist. Y'all know the tea. Y'all know, guys. That's my A&E Makeup World Beauty Blender, and it's my baby. Yeah.
Would you guys just look how amazing this foundation is? It just sit down and look good on my face. It's really beautiful, guys, and it just has that radiant glow. You see what I'm talking about? I look at the highest points of my face and I don't even have on a highlighter. And to highlight my face, I'm going back in with my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop Concealer in the shade number 15. Now I'm going in with my Laura Mercier setting powder. It's a translucent setting powder, so it can really be worn on any complexion. And yeah, I'm gonna use that first to set under my eyes, and afterwards I'll be going in with my Sasha Buttercup setting powder. And that powder, what it really does is that it has that yellow in it that's perfect for my undertone, so it will just give me that nice snatched look. Yeah, I think I'm applying it right now, so you see the difference in both sides. Now I'm going to use my Salave pencil in the shade brown, and I'm going to use that right on my waterline. And now I'm going to go in with my MAC blush in the shade Copper Tone. And for my lips, I'm gonna go very simple. I'm going in with my Milani Matte Beauty Lippy, and that's gonna really give my lips a really light tint. Then I'm gonna go in with my Fenty Beauty Gloss Balm right on top.
Okay, so this is the end of my video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this look. And as you guys saw in my video, I tried new products on my face. Products that I've tried before that I really love that I want to introduce to you guys. So my new products were the Born This Way Too Faced Born This Way foundation. We have it here at A&E Makeup World. I really love this foundation. It's not too matte, but it's not dewy at the same time. It's color stay. It gives good coverage. It doesn't run. It just sits on your face. It's just amazing. Like, look at my skin, guys. Look at my skin. That's the Born This Way foundation, guys. And another new product that I used is my Iman Luminous Foundation. So it's like a powder. It comes in a powder form, but I think if you apply water, it will turn into a foundation or something like that. But I just use it to bronze the lower part of my face, and I'm really loving it with the Born This Way foundation. And please remember, you guys can get these products here at A&E Makeup World. I've said this in all my videos. Y'all don't want me to say it anymore. You guys are probably annoyed by now, but yeah, just gotta let y'all know the tea. Like, yes. This Born This Way foundation is to die for, like, for you. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please remember, if you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button. Please hit the subscribe button. For this look, I really like it. It's not too bright. It's just perfect for graduation. Like, it's perfect. It's not too bright, but it's very simple at the same time. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this look, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys. I love you. Mwah.